Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode at this cool unveiling here, and pretty much what this is an accessory kit that you can use for a GoPro Hero device. Whether it's like the 11, the 10, or 9, it should work. So inside right here, they do provide you guys a lot of accessory in terms of screen protector, the case, the cover, wrist strap, etc. Let me open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, and see there's a lot of stuff inside, let's take it all out. So first the inside, they do provide us a little piece of paper to show you guys how to install it and how to use it. Next, the inside right here, they do provide you guys a bunch of accessory for the screen protector option. If you guys open up, inside they do provide you guys 2 of each, 2 wet wipes and 2 dry wipes. They also provide you guys 2 of these cloth for you to wipe it down. They do provide you guys 2 of these dust remover tape for you to use. And then right here, we do have the screen protectors. So there's 2 of each. So there's 2 of them for this one, 2 of them for this one, and 2 of them for this one. So that way it's always have a backup one just in case. And that's everything inside there. Next thing right here, they do provide you guys the wrist strap option. They provide you guys an extra 1 of these strap for you guys to actually use if the other one does break. They do give you guys 2 of these cover for you guys to cover the front part. So just like this. When you guys do put in a case, which I'll show you in a second, they do provide 1 of these accessory. If you can see how it does mention how it's not waterproof, if you guys do take it out. Here's what the part looks like. So the benefit of this one is for you guys to take this part out. Once you guys take it out, you can put this on. So that way you do have the option to actually open up to plug in cable directly on here, much easier to recharge it instead of each time remove it in case, which is really cool. But they mentioned when you guys do use it, it's not waterproof. So for me personally, I prefer using the other one, even though it's an extra step. So I'll keep this one back on. And then last but not least, right here we do have the case for you guys to put it on. So let's put it on and show you guys what it actually looks like. All you need to do is put it inside and it should fit. So once you guys do put it on, here's what the part looks like in the front. Here is this side, here is this side, here is this side, here is the top, and then here is the bottom. And like I mentioned for the cover, if you guys don't put it on, it fits on there perfectly when you guys do put in a case. And when you guys do feel the material on here, it definitely feels very soft and very smooth, which is really nice. And that is everything that's included in the package. What I'm doing right now is to put this down on the table and show you guys how to install the glass screen protector. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so here's everything that I do need. So the first thing I want to do is actually wipe down the screen and we'll apply it on. I think what I'm going to do first is apply the front one and then the back one afterward. So let's open this up and let's wipe it down. Same thing for this one. We'll wipe the back one later. Now let's use the dry wipe option. Just wipe it down, make sure there's no hair or anything on here. If there is any, feel free to use this and just go like this. Alright, so that should be good. Let's apply it on. So the small one will go here and the bigger one will go here. And this will go in the back. So what I'm going to do is peel it off right here. Once you guys do that, you're going to stick it on. Just like that. And it's all set. Now do the same thing for this one. Peel it. And stick it on. Alright. Feel free to push it down if you guys do need to. But once you guys do put it on, you guys are all set. Now do the same thing for the back part. Alright, so here we do the back part. Let's wipe it down. Same thing for dry wipe. Use the dust tape if you guys need to use it to remove any of the dust if there is any or here. Alright, that should be good. Now let's take off the tape and stick it on. And you have to push it down slowly. Once you guys got it all set up, here's what it looks like. If you guys do turn it on, you can see how nothing's affected when you guys do use it. So everything on the touchscreen option still works when you guys do use it. You can see, same thing for the front part as well. So very easy and very simple for you to set up and use it. Welcome back guys. So next a quick test of product, it definitely actually does work and should work quite well. And you see the whole installation process and everything didn't take that long. Once you guys use the wet wipe and the dry wipe to wipe it down, you guys can use the dust absorber tape to remove any of the dust if there is any. Then you guys can put on screen protector for each one of them. If you see how once we do put on the screen protector, nothing's affected. It's still very sensitive and everything's actually very clear when you guys do use it, which is really nice. And on top of all that, it's really cool to give you guys so many other accessories that you can use in terms of the cover, the case, the wrist strap option, etc. Literally provide guys everything you guys do need for extra protection and much more easier for you to use. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality accessory kit that give you guys everything in terms of protection layer, the case, the wrist strap option, and etc., then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one. And save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.